So we're back at Cool Kids Camps, which is where we spend quite a lot of our time doing our RC car workshops. We're just setting up our track ready for the next week of activities, but we thought that we would test out the old Vantage 2.0 here, because it's been such a long time since we've managed to get out of it. So we've come out of it today, and I have to tell you, we are both suitably really impressed with this. As predicted, the speed controller does give it a little bit more punch. The tyres are nice because they're new, give us loads of grip as well. We've got these lovely anodised, nice aluminium parts on, which are fantastic, they look really nice. However, we do need to lock tight in the screws, mainly the droop screws, because they were coming loose today. But other than that, really good fun, and it actually was quite on rails round here, so quite enjoyed it. Anyway, look, I must go because we've got to finish setting the rest of this up, but we'll see you soon. Like, subscribe, smash the old ding dong bell, and keep up to date with what we're doing.